A little bit of fun in Excel, making a pictograph using Excel. So what I've done here is actually downloaded some images from the internet, Creative Commons approved, and I'm just using this to enhance the screen. So what we get here is we enter some data, could be a survey or just a fun sort of thing. What you end up with a chart that looks a little bit like this. So let's go and have a look at how we did it. I've taken away all the embellishments, and what we're going to do here is just highlight the data. Then we go up to insert, and we're going over to this. I'm going to choose a 2D bar chart or column graph. So what I'm going to do now is click over here, and I want to just be on this column. Notice how they've all come on. So I'm just going to be click a second time to get in there. And then I'm going to go right click and choose fill. And I'm going to choose picture. And so I can say from a file, but you could go and get online pictures. So I'm going to choose from a file, and hopefully somewhere down here I have got some pop stars, and I'm looking for Beyonce, and I'm going to click insert. And we'll see now that she has gone in there, but she's taken up the whole of the column. So I'm going to click on here to bring up the formatting of the data points. I'm now going to go to fill can. Choose fill. I'm just going to scroll down here, picture or gradient. Yep, that's exactly what I want. And now we're going to do stack and scale with the number of units being 1. So for every unit I'm going to get a picture. And look, that has happened. We've got to go through this now for each one. So now I'm going to click on here, but it's not going to be quite as busy. So I'm going to go into picture fill, just click on insert, because I better get the right person in here. And here's Taylor Swift coming up, hopefully. And every time you do have to do the stack and scale. That's looking okay. So let's just go through here now quickly, and I'll just go picture, insert, from file, and we are on to Lord. Now, I don't think I need to complete this for you, so we'll just say OK, and so now you are getting the idea. What you will find interesting is if you go and this is set up, you can change this. So Lord, now her data is only 1, and you'll notice that this changes. Beyonce is getting even more popular than we thought, so I'm going to type 9 there and press enter. When I'm doing this introduction, I usually get the students just to take something between 1 and 10 here, so you do see the images coming in nicely. If we were to go in, say to this one here now, and again I've got to click here, where did I go? Fill can, and we're going to go picture, and I'm on Ed Sheeran, so I'm going to click down here. We'll go insert, from file, Ed Sheeran. Now let's say we had big numbers. What we could do here is go stack and scale and change this to say 5 or 10, and if you're using bigger numbers. And so I'll just press enter here. Now that will not mean very much at all at the moment, but if I change this to 30, we should get about 6, and that is the whole thrust of making a pictograph.